Hi, I hope this day is going on well for everyone. So today we'll discuss about customer satisfaction as an important part of ground handling services. So customer satisfaction was considered as the most important part of ground handling services. The term ground handling means all services provided at the airport, including booking at ticket desks, checking passengers, baggage treatment, and wrap operations. We included to our research IATA's customer satisfaction because IATA can help to optimize safety and security, improve customer service, reduce costs, increase profitability, plan better, and give employees the training they need. Also can establish safety cultures and appropriately implement and apply safety management system. In addition, experts can assist in achieving compliance to ensure safe, legal, and proficient operations. So, on the other hand, ground handling company means the person who performs a variety of services before and after the flight to ensure the safety process of passengers and the process of transporting goods, baggage, mail through the air smoothly and without any problems. So the ground handling have a function. The term ground handling services refers to all aviation-related ground activities performed for airline at airports and which constitute a key function in the aviation chain. The first function, which is the passenger function, includes all check-in and reception operation, boarding disputes, passenger transit or correspondence operations, baggage transport in the terminal, baggage disputes, and the processing freight. The second function, which is the runway function, includes baggage handling, aircraft-related activity, cleaning, loading or loading operations, parking, guidance and assistance, storyline, maintenance, de-icing, transport of passengers, crew and freight between the aircraft and the terminal, communication between the aircraft and the personnel in charge of ramp operation. We have also the trafic function, which handles flight preparation, load control, and flight assistance, the fuel and hour function, which include the execution of refueling, including its storage, control of the quality and the quantity of deliveries, fuel of oil and other liquid ingredients. And the final function, which is the aircraft catering, which includes the preparation and the storage of food and drink.